Hello, second graders. It is time for our read aloud and knowledge. Here's your coloring page today. Got this picture of, I don't know. I could make up a name and have some fun with it, but I'm not going to. Got this picture of this muscle man. You should put Mr. Frank under there. Ha ha ha. I don't look like that. You know I don't. Okay, today we're reading about the muscular system. Okay, I thought I'd add this system in, even though we really haven't, we don't have a sheet on it in our book, but I really like this book, so I wanted to read it all to you. So you can learn a little bit about this system. Marvelous moving muscles. Got this great picture. The human muscular system. Without muscles, you wouldn't walk, talk, eat, or even breathe. More than 630 muscles make up your muscular system. They help you move, lift, and push. Muscles come in four shapes. Four shapes. Okay? The biceps and triceps in your arms are spindle shaped. So, triceps, biceps. Okay? The forehead muscle is flat. Okay? The deltoid in your shoulder is triangular. So in your shoulders, you have this. This is your deltoid muscle. Kind of right there. The muscles around your mouth and pupils of your eyes are circular. Okay, circular. Fact, your muscles make up about half of your body weight. Muscles. Here's a great picture. Working with bones and blood. When you run or throw a ball, your muscles contract. Tiny threads of protein in your muscle fibers get closer together. Some muscles are attached to bones. The bones move when contracted muscles pull on them. Muscles along your blood vessels control what body parts get the most blood. When you run, more blood goes to your legs. When you eat, more blood goes to your stomach. So contract means to tighten or to become shorter. And then we have this word fiber again, but it's different than the fiber yesterday. Fiber, a long thin cell made up of many long proteins. And then blood vessels, a narrow tube that carries blood throughout your body. So you have blood vessels. Okay? Muscles pull but cannot push. Interesting. So we have parts of the muscular system. Muscles can be big, like in the legs, or they can be small, like in the face. Your face has more than 30 muscles. They help you show different feelings. Eye muscles are the busiest. Tendons and ligaments complete the muscular system. Tendons attach muscles to bones. Ligaments connect bones to bones. Muscles crisscross the body so you can move in many ways. Okay? Fact. Oh my gosh, here's a big word. Starts with an O. The orbicularis oris is a circular muscle. It is called the kissing muscle. You use it to pucker your lips. I'm not going to pucker my lips, but maybe you could give your mom or your dad a kiss, so you'd have to pucker your lips to do that. The skeletal muscles. Or your dog. Skeletal muscles move bones. These muscles are voluntary muscles. You control them and move them on purpose. The strongest skeletal muscles are connected to the spine. So voluntary means that you move them when you want to, right? If it's involuntary, you don't have control over that. Sometimes, I try to think of like when you blink. That's why I'm blinking so much. It's voluntary because I can make them blink. But sometimes they just do it on their own and you don't even know it, right? How many times a day do you blink? I'm not even sure. But you don't even really control it. They just do it, okay? The biceps and triceps are skeletal muscles. They move in pairs to pull in different directions. Imagine that you were throwing a ball. Your biceps pulls your lower arm up, your tricep pulls it back. Here's a fact. You use 200 different muscles to take just one step. Oh, here's a really cool picture. That's a heart, okay? The heart contains cardiac muscles. Cardiac, you'll hear that word the rest of your life. Cardiac. Smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles. You don't think about making these muscles move. Your organs have smooth muscles. Some smooth muscles help blood flow. Others help food move. Bladder muscles contract to hold urine in. Then they relax to let urine out. Your heart's cardiac muscles pump blood. These muscles work with your lungs to put oxygen into your blood. So involuntary means done without a person's control. Cardiac having to do with the heart, and oxygen is a gas that people and animals breathe. You need oxygen to breathe. And the heart contains cardiac muscles. Muscles and nerves. Oh, we've talked about nerves already. Your brain uses nerves to send messages to your muscles. Nerves are thin fibers that send messages between your brain and other body parts. We've already read that, haven't we? Imagine you're drawing a picture. Your brain tells your hand muscle to move. Other nerves signal your cardiac muscles to squeeze automatically. Each time your heart squeezes, it makes a heartbeat. A 6-year-old's heart usually beats between 60 and 95 times per minute. 60 and 95. So you can feel your heart muscle. I can feel mine right here. I take my 2 fingers and right kind of where my Adam's apple is, just put it right there. You can feel a pulse, or you can just put it on your chest and you might be able to feel your heart beating. Okay, those are those muscles moving. Muscular system problems. Hey, look, she's wearing rollerblades. As opposed to roller skates, roller blades, or inline skates. Muscles sometimes hurt. Too much exercise can make muscles sore or cause a cramp. A cramp, or spasm, happens when muscle contracts but doesn't relax again. A pulled muscle has been stretched too far. It usually feels better within a couple of weeks. A sprain is a pulled or torn ligament. This is more serious injury. It takes longer to recover. An ankle is the most common area for a sprain. Oh my gosh, I've sprained my ankle so many times. I played basketball a lot. Still do as an old guy. I wear braces on both ankles. So a spasm is a tightening of a muscle that cannot be controlled, and a sprain is an injury caused by muscle and tissue tearing near a joint. Keeping muscles healthy. Healthy muscles are strong and flexible. Okay, flexible means able to bend. Exercise makes muscles stronger. Stretching makes muscles more flexible. Regular exercise helps your muscles work better. Your heart gets better at pumping. Warm up your muscles before you exercise. This protects you from injuries. When you warm up, your heart beats faster, more blood flows to your moving muscles. Fact, when your muscles burn energy, they get warm. This helps keep the rest of your body warm. Team players, your muscles are always working. Your muscles are always working. The muscular system works with other body systems. It keeps you healthy and active. Muscles, bones, and nerves help you move, feel, and get strong. When you eat right and exercise, your body works at its best. So we talked about how you eat in the things we eat. Amazing but true. Have you ever gotten goosebumps? I'm sure we all have gotten goosebumps before. Here's a picture of goosebumps. Tiny muscles around each hair of your skin. Okay? So tiny muscles surround each hair of your skin. When you're cold or scared, those muscles contract involuntarily. This causes the hairs to raise. Your skin looks like it has little bumps. So this was the book we read. Continue drawing this picture. You know what? You should put your dad's name under here. That's what you should do. Anyway, hope you're all well. That's it for our read aloud today. Fairly short, and I just wanted to have a little bit of fun. We have about a month left of school, and it looks like it's going to remain online or on the same format we're doing. So, hope you're all well. I miss you all, and we'll be in touch.